Did you know that if you stop your shedding and breakage, your hair is going to grow thick and voluminous? Did you know that if you stop your shedding and breakage, your hair is going to grow long? Did you know that if you stop your shedding and breakage, your hair will no longer be stuck at same hair length? Did you know that if you stop your shedding and breakage, you will retain length? Shedding and breakage is the #1 culprit to our hair not growing voluminous and long. Because tell me, how can a wicker broom get shorter over time? That's because it is shedding and breaking. So if your hair is able to retain length, retain all the length that it is growing, your hair is going to flourish. It is going to grow thick. I realized this 7 years ago. That was when I fell in love with Ayurveda. The recipe that I'm about to share on today's video is what is going to help you stop your shedding and breakage. It is 100% natural. It is accessible. You can get it anywhere around you. So if you want to retain length, if you want your hair to grow thick in less than 3 months, grow really thick, I mean, really bushy, I mean, you have to start using this to stop your shedding and breakage. Just 3 ingredients and they work like magic. I combined these videos from 2021 till date just so you see the difference in my hair. My hair did not only grow thick, it grew longer. I'm here to share the secret with you because you have to stop your shedding and breakage. They are stopping you from growing really long and thick hair. So you have to stop it now. Grab these few ingredients. Let's make this amazing DHT blocker. Get your lemongrass. If you don't have lemongrass, you can get the dried ones. If you don't have the dried ones, you can buy the powder. All ingredients can be purchased on Amazon website. If you're in Nigeria, you can check for online vendors. Just grab about 7 to 10 leaves of lemongrass and let's make this. Our next ingredient is guava leaves. You must have been seeing guava plants, guava trees around you, but you're only interested in the fruit. But you don't know that the leaves are very beneficial. They can help your hair to thrive. So grab about a stalk like so, pluck the leaves and then pour it in a bowl like so, and then let's move to the next ingredient. Our next ingredient for this recipe is hibiscus flowers. Now hibiscus is one of my favorite herbs. From inception of this channel, you guys already know, you should know that hibiscus is one of my favorite Ayurveda. It does a lot of good to my hair, and one of that is growing my hair dark. So I just used about 3 dry flowers of the hibiscus. I combined all the ingredients in a bowl. Please make sure to wash the leaves beforehand, allow to dry before you start. Next, light your stove, pour about 500 ml worth of water in a pot, and then pour all your ingredients in it. Cover up your pot and start to boil this. Once it starts boiling, boil for about 15 minutes. Once it starts boiling, start counting for the next 15 minutes. I hope you understand. Or you can pour some water in your pot, bring to a boil, then pour the ingredients and allow to boil for 15 minutes, if that makes sense. Once it must have cooled down, you can leave it in the pot for about 2 to 3 hours until it is completely cool. Then strain and then transfer to your applicator bottle or spray bottle. Girl, you've just made yourself a super potent anti-shedding and breakage spray. Guys, do not joke with this. This is one of my secrets to maintaining thick, voluminous hair. The secret is stopping your shedding and breakage. That way, your hair can become voluminous. As it's growing, you'll be able to retain all the length grown. That is the secret. So start using this now. You can use it as a leave-in, just as I'm using on this video. I rarely use my teas as rinse out, but I do use it as rinse out, but most of the time I use it as a leave-in. I rarely rinse it out. Come on, look at that healthy hair. These herbal ingredients are really doing my hair lots and lots of favor. They are really helping my hair to thrive. Look at that healthy hair. Look at that. Come on. I'm blushing. I'm blushing, guys. I am grateful. I am grateful to Mother Nature for providing us with these amazing ingredients to take care of our hair, because what would have become of my hair if I've been using chemicals on my hair, if I've just been using products that I'm not sure of in my hair? What would have become of my hair? Guys, my hair is healthy. You're hearing it from the horse's mouth. My hair is healthy, and I don't need any other person to tell me that my hair is healthy before I can know that. Guys, start using this. Use this religiously, and if you must use this as a leave-in, please follow up with a moisturizing leave-in conditioner, say with hair growth oil or pomade. I prefer pomade because they are excellent sealants. If you want to check for pomade on the channel, please type on the search bar pomade or hair grease. They do a lot of good to hair. They seal better than hair butters. I've been preaching this. Hair grease, hair pomade, natural ones that you make by yourself, not the one you purchase out there. My focus on this channel is to teach you how to make safe hair products at home that can help your hair thrive. I research all these ingredients, check the ones that can be combined with each other that can benefit both low and high porosity hair and all hair types, and I come on here to share it with you guys to try it out. And I have gotten loads and loads and loads and loads of feedbacks. I'm not even kidding. If you think that I'm lying, check my videos, check the comments, and see the feedbacks. These ingredients, they work. They are very safe for your hair. I cannot deceive you. I cannot deceive you. If you want your hair to thrive, whether genetics or no genetics, start using these herbal ingredients. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.